Hey everyone, this is Nidhi. Today I'm going to talk about text messaging and online chat abbreviation. So let's get started. What is the meaning of abbreviation? A shortened form of a written word or phrase used in place of the whole word or phrase. First one is to be, means to be. For example, it's nice to be with you. Second is too easy, means too easy. For example, it is too easy. Next one is to be t, means too good to be true. For example, his new office sounds too good to be true. Next one is too I, means too much information. For example, you have given me too much information. Next one is too means tomorrow. For example, we will talk tomorrow. Next one is to means too much to handle. For example, your anger is too much to handle. Next one is 4AO, means for adults only. For example, these movies are for adults only. Next one is 4EAE, means forever and ever. For example, our friendship remains forever and ever. Next one is cap fire, means high five. For example, give me a high five for this. Next one is 7K, means sick. For example, my grandma is sick. Next one is AA, means ask about. For example, are you confused? Then you could ask about anything else. Next one is B2W, means back to work. For example, when am I likely to be able to get back to work? Next one is CM, means call me. For example, whenever you need something, please call me. Next one is DAE, means does anyone else? For example, does anyone else come into the classroom? Next one is one means everyone. For example, everyone was not sad. Next one is FYI means for your information. For example, for your information, John has died. Next one is GB means goodbye. For example, one day her brother David and come to say goodbye. Next one is H8 means hate. For example, I hate it when you do this. Next one is IDTS means I don't think so. For example, I don't think so Jennifer will come back. Next one is JW means just wondering. For example, I'm just wondering what you make of all this. Next one is KK means okay. For example, okay, I will get it for you. Next one is HF means have fun. For example, make plans, go out with your family and have fun. Next one is MMW means mark my words. For example, Laura told me, she said, mark my words, this girl will kill again. Next one is NOYB means none of your business. For example, look here, senior, it's none of your business. Next one is POV means point of view. For example, you must understand our point of view, child. Next one is SFLR means sorry for late reply. For example, sorry for the late reply. Next one is TIA means thanks in advance. For example, thanks in advance for any help you are able to provide. Next one is YMMD means you made my day. For example, what a surprise! You made my day. Next one is GR8 means great. For example, you are such a great person. Next one is L8R means letter. For example, We will do this work later. Next one is you are, means you are. For example, you are such a beautiful girl. Next one is WB, means welcome back. For example, welcome back to my house. Next one is LOL, means laughing out loud. For example, I put my shirts back in front this morning, laughing out loud. Next one is TGIF, means thanks God it's Friday. For example, I can finally relax tonight. Thanks God it's Friday. Next one is IOW, means in other words. For example, she said the movie was a bit interesting. In other words, she liked it. Next one is CU, means see you. For example, no time to chat now, see you. Next one is B/C, means because. For example, why did you do it? Because Nick told me to. Next one is FAQ, means frankly asked question. For example, you have a pretty impressive and large frankly asked question. Next one is LYLAS, means love you like a sister. For example, you are my best friend and I really love you like a sister. Next one is O/C, means oh, I see. For example, you picked up my father. Oh, I see. Next one is TBH, means to be honest. For example, I have never watched the original Star Wars, to be honest. Next one is NSFW, means not safe for work. For example, this is a great article about Elizabeth's Secret models, not safe for work. Next one is RT, means real time. For example, the military needs real time sharpnesses. Next one is LMK, means let me know. For example, let me know when you are available. Next one is NVM, means never mind. For example, you made this mistake, never mind. I hope you understand the text messaging and online chat abbreviation. Try to use these words in the comment section below. So don't forget to press the bell icon. See you next time.